Okay, so now we want to, this is a coin battery holder. If we look really close, I don't think my camera's going to pick it up, but this is the positive side. So this metal lead is the positive one, and this lead would be the negative one. I've partially set up the circuit. So I have the negative coming out here to one of these leads, and the positive coming out here. Doesn't make sense to put it back in because we want to put the light in between. The problem is with this setup, there's no way, like maybe we could touch these together. Actually, I probably could. I probably could hold these together like this. See if this works. And then switch it on. Yeah, it didn't work. Or I have my leads backwards, so perhaps I'm wrong that the positive perhaps goes into the battery and the negative touches the, oh, see, I just pulled my thing out so you can see this is not the best way to play with switches and leads. I'm going to show you a better way in a moment. Okay, so now I have a circuit and the switch is working. Let me show you a couple different ways I could have done this better. So this is negative, and so this comes out positive, so it has to go into the negative. Now these, you already saw, didn't stay together well. There is something called a female to female cable, and you can see that it has two input places, whereas this would be a male. This is a male to male cable because it has two protruding. We also have a male. And then of course we also have a male to female cable. And these are really handy when prototyping, because if we didn't have these type of cables or breadboards, which I'll show you in a moment, we'd have to solder everything. We'd have to get the soldering stuff out. But so right now what I've done is I've used a female to female cable, and I can take my negative leg and put it in that end, and then I can take my female to male cable, put the female end on this leg, and then when I connect this male